Once upon a time, in a cozy little house nestled between two tall trees, lived a playful calico cat named Whiskers. Whiskers was known for her bright, shimmering fur and her twinkling green eyes. Every morning, Whiskers would wake up with the sun, stretching and arching her back, ready for another day of adventure. She would wander through the garden, chasing butterflies, rolling in the grass, and napping in the sunbeam-drenched flowers. One day, Whiskers stumbled upon a tiny bird with a broken wing. The bird was scared and in pain. Whiskers, with a soft purr, gently approached the bird, trying to comfort it. She knew she had to help. Whiskers ran to the house, where she found her human friend Emily. Emily, a kind and caring girl, immediately took the bird in her hands and tended to its wound. Together, they nurtured the bird back to health. Days turned into weeks, and the bird's wing healed. On the day it was time for the bird to fly away, Whiskers and Emily watched it take its first flight. The bird spread its wings wide, and with a powerful flap, soared into the sky. Whiskers and Emily shared a heartwarming smile, knowing they had made a difference. Whiskers went back to her daily adventures, but now she had a new friend in Emily. And whenever they met, they would share stories of their adventures and the lessons they had learned. And so, the days went by, filled with laughter, love, and a little bit of magic. Whiskers and Emily, two unlikely friends, continued to brighten each other's lives, proving that even the smallest acts of kindness can make the biggest impact. The end.